Hey, it's Mike here, and today I'm going to be doing a quick review of these Boat & Auto microfiber cleaning cloths. Now, before I jump in here, I just want to let you know that I did receive this for free from the vendor in exchange for doing a review, and I will get a commission if you purchase through my link. However, that being said, my reviews, as always, will be 100% honest. I'll give my real opinion on what I like and what I don't like about these. So these are essentially, the way that they market these is that they are for Boat & Auto. They're designed so that you can take these, and they've got 12 of them in here. You can see tons of these. We've got pink ones in here. We've got some orange ones. We've got green ones, a couple of those, and then we have a couple of blue ones. They're flying all over the place. We've got tons of them in here, and they market these as something that you can use simply for your car or your boat, but you can also use these if you're looking for a quality rag to use in your house, if you want to scrub your countertop, if you want to scrub your stove or your refrigerator, you can use them as well, as they are specifically designed not to scratch. That's the whole thing with these. They're meant to have a material inside them. They're 70% polyester and 30% polyamide cloth, and they even have what they say, they have a little bit of a silk added to them as well. So they're going to be designed so that they don't scratch your stuff. That's what you're looking for. So again, you can use these on a boat, you can use them on your car, which I think most people will be using these for, or you can use them simply to wipe down surfaces and get a really nice shine to them. They are 100% washing machine compliant. You can put them in your washing machine, not have to worry about them being destroyed by that. You can use them over and over and over again, multiple colors, multiple different uses. I hope you enjoy this review.